Hi everyone, welcome to the class. In the previous class, we were discussing with the density problems. We'll continue in the present class and we'll see few more problems based on the calculation of formula of a compound based on the cell informations. So we'll continue with density problem. If you look into the problem, an element having atomic mass 63.1 gram per mole. So its atomic mass is given, it is 63.1 gram per mole, has face centered cubic unit cell, Z is 4, with edge length A as 3.608 into 10 to the power of minus 8, and they have given in the unit centimeter. With Avogadro constant value 6.022. So they are asking us to calculate the density of the unit cell. Here, for edge length, unit cell that is centimeter conversion is not required because the unit itself they have given in centimeter and the mass in gram. So gram per centimeter cube can be related as the unit of density. So directly we can go for substitution. Now the formula for density, D is equal to Z into M NE into AQ. Now, so we'll substitute the values here. So Z is 4 and the mass of the substance is 63.1 gram per mole and A cube is 3.608 into 10 to the power of minus 8 whole cube into Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. So we'll try to simplify these values. So this will try to go first with 3.608 8 cube into 10 to the power of minus 8 cube, and we'll simplify with Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power of 20. As we consider 3.608 into 3.608 into 3.608 will be equal to 49, that is 46.96 into 10 to the power of minus 8 minus 8 minus 8 is minus 24 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23, 10 to the power of plus 23 and 10 to the power of minus 24 is 10 to the power of minus 1. And if we consider, so 46.96 into 6.022, it is 282.83 into 10 to the power of minus 1. This is the denominator simplification value. Numerator value is 4 into 63.1. So that is equal to 252.4 divided by 282.83 into 10 to the power of minus 1. So we'll divide the numerator and denominator value. It is 252.4 divided by 282.83 is equal to, it is 0.8924 into 10 to the power of minus 1. So 10 to the power of minus 1 in the numerator will become plus 1. So hence the value is 8.924. The unit is gram per centimeter. So this is the answer of the density with the given information. We'll continue with the next problem. Calculate metal crystallizes in FCC with edge length 0.556 nanometer, calculate the density of the metal. So atomic mass of calcium they have given with Avogadro number value. Now, the crystal system is FCC, Z is equal to 4. Molar mass of calcium 40 gram per mole. Edge length is given in nanometer, and we know that so nanometer conversion 0.556 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meter, and meter to centimeter 10 to the power of minus 7 centimeter. So hence centimeter conversion value will take in the calculation. Now, so if we substitute the values, so Z value is 4, M is 40, A cube is 0.556 into 10 to the power of minus 7 whole cube, and Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. And if we simplify, 4 into 40 is, that is 160. And if we simplify the denominator values, it is 0.556 into 0.556 into 0.556 is, the cube of this is 0.1718, and 10 to the power of minus 7 minus 7 minus 7 is minus 21, 10 to the power of plus 23, and Avogadro number. Now 10 to the power of plus 23, 10 to the power of minus 21 is 10 to the power of plus 2, and the multiplication of 0.1718 into 6.022 is, it is 1.034, and if we divide that 160 divided by 1.034, so it is 154.73 into 10 to the power of minus 2, or 1.54 gram per centimeter cube is the density for the given problem. Now, so these problems will help us how the density is calculated, so by using various information. Now we'll try to learn few more problems how to calculate the formula of a given compound with the particle information. So it's very important to mark questions, so try to focus clearly. Now, if you observe the question, an ionic compound is formed by two elements, it is A and B. The cations A are at CCP arrangement, and those of anions B occupy all the tetrahedral voids. What is the simplest formula of the compound? Now, A and B is a given respective ionic compound which is formed. The information about A is that, so A as a cation, so it is forming CCP arrangement. We know that CCP or HCP or FCC. So represent Z value is 4. As it is forming CCP, so it is 4. And for B, it occupies all the tetrahedral voids. Occupies all the tetrahedral voids. And we know that for a given Z value or N value as 4, number of tetrahedral voids will be 2 into 4. So that is equal to 8. So hence, so A is 4, B is 8. The simplest formula for 4 is to 8 can also be considered as 1 is to 2. Hence, AB2 will be the simplest formula of a compound. Whatever the given particle information, just segregate this then you can consider, or you can assume it as it is ax by and go for solving x and y. So by taking the information what they have given, now x is 1, by is 2. So we look into the similar one more problem. A compound is formed by two elements x and y. The x element forms CCP and y occupies 1/3 of tetrahedral voids. What is the formula of the compound? As it is forming CCP, so its value is 4. So 1/3 of tetrahedral means, so total number of tetrahedral voids will be 2 into 4, that is equal to 8. Now 1/3 of 8 will be equal to 1/3 into 8, or 8/3. Now for x it is 4 and for y it is 8/3. Now if you find a simple ratio, so 4 is to 8/3. Now you multiply by 3 for both, it is 4 into 3, 12, and for this it will be 8. So if you find the simple ratio, it is 3, 2, hence x3, y2 will be the simplest formula of the given compound. So x is 4, y is 8/3. For this particular value, if you find a simple whole number ratio, it is 3 is to 2. x3, y2 will be the formula of the compound. I will look into the one more problem. A compound AX by, so it crystallizes in FCC lattice, in which A occupies each corner of a cube and B occupies center of each face. What is the formula of the compound? We know that if it is forming at a corners, we know that there will be 8 corners and the contribution for corners will be 1/8, and it is 8 into 1/8 is 1. That is 8 corners will be there in a unit cell, and the contribution for corner particle will be 1/8. So hence the formula for A will be, as it is occupying a corner, it is 8 into 1/8, which is equal to 1. So now we know that there will be 6 phases in a unit cell. As each phase center is occupied by B, its contribution will be 1/2, hence it is 3. As the simplest formula for the compound is, so A1 B3. So one is not required to mention, you can write the simple formula as AB3 is the formula of the compound. So we'll look into the one more problem. So gold with atomic radius 0.144 nanometer crystallizes in FCC. So what is the length of the side of the cell? That is, what is the edge length they are asking. Now we know that for FCC crystal system, A is equal to 4R by root 2, or 2 root 2 R is the edge length. Now as R is there, you can find. So if you want, you can leave the answer in nanometer, or you can convert it into centimeter. If we go with the conversion to centimeter, this will be 0.144 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meter, and to centimeter it is 0.144 into 10 to the power of minus 7 centimeter. Nanometer we converted into meter followed by centimeter. Now if we take into the calculation, A is equal to 2 into root 2 into R value is 0.144 into 10 to the power of minus 7. So 2 into root 2 value is 1.414 into 0.144 into 10 to the power of minus 7. And if we simplify all those value, this 2 into 1.414 into 0.144. So it is coming as 0.407 into 10 to the power of minus 7 centimeter. or if you retain the same value, so this power term will not be there and the answer will be 0.407 nanometer. So this is how the information can be calculated. Now we'll observe into the next problem. Aluminium crystallizes in FCC. Aluminium crystallizes in FCC. Atomic radius of the metal is 125 picometer. So it is atomic radius, it is R. Calculate the edge length of the unit cell. A similar problem like previous one. 125 picometer. So if you convert that into centimeter, or if you retain the value 125 into 10 to the power of minus 12 meter and 125 into 10 to the power of minus 10 centimeter. Either you can go with the conversion to meter, centimeter, or picometer. So we know that as it is FCC, A is equal to 2 root 2 R or 4R by root 2. We'll go with substitution. So it is 2 into root 2 into R value. So 125 if we take in picometer. So 2 into 1.414 into 125. And the answer is 250 into 1.414. That is 353.5 picometers or 353.5 into 10 to the power of minus 10 centimeter. That is the answer. So with this, we completed few problems. So we left with the two concepts in the unit. So two main concepts. So that is imperfection in the solids, and based on the conductivity information, so we learn with magnetic properties. So three important topics are left out. We'll complete that in our next class. Thank you.